Ever found those websites where people say they can make money only to find out that they did not make anything?
Damn.
Well, on this video, I'm gonna break that lie because this site we are definitely making money. So on this video, I'm gonna be showing you a website where you can generate money from just doing surveys and doing front to front interview, meaning face to face interview with people who are willing to pay just to know your response on whatever product they will be presenting to everyone. They just want to know people's opinion, or you can just do surveys to do that. Welcome to my channel, people. It's your boy Junior, and I'm back again in my channel Wealth Workshop. In this channel, we're gonna be teaching people on many ways that you can generate income for yourself in the comfort of your home, using your laptop, your phone, and not having to just put even a single penny from your pocket. So stay tuned as we now dive into our beautiful money making website. So firstly, we're gonna go to your Chrome, open the search bar and search respondent.io. click search, then let it load. Then it will lead you towards our website. As you can see, quality research. Okay, let's accept here. You can see quality research participants on demand. It means they do want the participant, they are on demand. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna click here as a sign up as participant, but then let me show you something here, how to become a participant. Enter here, then what get paid to participate in research studies. It means they're gonna give you a certain product, then you're gonna research about if ever people do actually want it, or is it really in demand. Like as you see here, it said find paid remote and in-person research studies. You will be well compensated for. It means they will pay you very well, not a lie. Get paid via PayPal by sharing your opinion, as I've said, on product with researchers from trusted brand. This is just as simple as that. As you can see, they have 4,000 new project, 3 million participants. It means many people actually do participate in these kind of things. So getting started with paid research is quickly and very easy. As here you can see, just create your profile, you personalize your profile with your professional background and skills. So what I would recommend is for everyone to represent themselves as very skilled people, because that's actually what they want. They want people who are very skilled. So represent yourself as a very skilled person. Put in the best skills that you think you can be able to manage if ever they would ask you to conduct a research. Then the next step, you need to get matched. Our matching algorithm will send research studies straight to your inbox based on your details. Meaning, that's why I said here on the skills, put the skills that you think you can manage to research about properly and be able to understand just a little bit, because the kind of skills that you're gonna choose is the kind of jobs that they're gonna send to you due to the skill that you said you are very good at. So now apply to studies. Answer a few screening questions online to help researchers know that you're a fit. That's why I said they're gonna ask you some certain questions just to know that you're a fit. That happens everywhere where they actually really want to put in their money to you. They're gonna ask you if ever you are what they are looking for. So if right now they say they wanna do a screening questions, it means they are really serious, because they want people who are really what they say they are. So that is what they're gonna do to know if you are a fit. Then the last step is get paid. Researchers invite participants to studies. Get paid quickly once your work is finished. It's very that simple, not that much of a thing. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go there and get started. once you click get started, you're gonna choose whether you're a participant or a researcher, because a researcher, it means you are one of those business owners who has a product, and this product you want to know people's opinion about it before putting it out there. You want to click here as a researcher, and this website is gonna spread your product to people so that the people can give their honest opinion. Then if you get an A opinion, it means your business can be able to boom very well, since ever the product is on demand. So since ever we are on the participant side, you want to click on the participant. Then moving forward, they're going to ask you to put in your name, last name. These are the things that you know you can do. But now let me show you on my account. So this here is my account. As you can see on my account, these are the jobs that are present for me to take due to the skill that I've chosen. See, seeking individuals who have experience with desktop, laptop, audio experience. So if you know you are very good with laptops, like they have ranges of kind of skills that are wanted, skills that many people actually do have. Even if you know you have a certain skill, you can search there at the search bar. They will show you the kind of people who want the skill that you have. You see, so here are the laptop audio experiences. Then looking for users. Then for you, you're only gonna participate for 60 minutes one-on-one, only 1 hour. They're gonna give you $100 full. And on this other one, 45 minutes, they're gonna give you $60. There are very kind of other jobs that you can do. I mean, surveys that you can do. Then they're gonna pay you very well for just 1 hour or 45 minutes. Then you are done. They also have a very good referral program, meaning you can get, you see here it has written share your referral link, meaning you're gonna earn $20 when you refer a new respondent user who earns $75 in total incentive. Meaning what you're gonna do, let us see more about this referral link, because usually many people generate income using it, as it's a very simple way. So you earn $20 when you refer a person, and there's also another one where you receive a $50 project referral bonus paid to your PayPal account. So on these referral programs, they are very good, and they can actually boost your income if ever you think the skills are very too demanding that you cannot be able to do them. You can now go to the referral links, and that makes about this website, it's very proper and good. And here I would show you my referrals. The problem is that the referrals are people's names, and I wouldn't want to expose people's names. That makes about it for this website, and I'm referring it to you all because I've seen some professional users who have took this opportunity to use this website, and they actually withdrew money in real time. And also, not to forget, I've done some few projects which are still in the process, but then there is this other one that have shown their approval for the withdrawal. Let me put the link up. Which side? I'll just put it wherever I see space. Then you will see that this website can actually do what they promised to do. So if you are in need of just getting another extra income, you can use this website, and I promise you're not going to regret it. That makes it about this website, my good people. If you liked this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, because you'll be able to see more of the videos that I drop. I will see you on the next video, and have a nice day further. Peace.